Hey guys, good afternoon and welcome to another live drift exhaust sound reveal. Ang inyong pambansang bomba and my name is GM. I know it's been a while since our last live, but here we are again. This is courtesy by the request of our customer Ryan, who is all the way from Pangasinan. Grabe, no? So, sobrang layo ni Ryan, but thank you, Ryan, for all the trust and support. So later on, I'm going to call Ryan. We have been very busy. That's why we haven't been doing a lot of lives. We have been very busy with Drift Motor Speedway. So if you haven't gone to our indoor go-kart yet, I encourage you guys to go ahead and try go-karting in our park. And at the same time, my son Yuan, has been very busy with his racing for the recent Petron Super Karting Series, and we've just been blessed because for the last two races, he is the back-to-back champion in the series, and again, we are blessed because he's going to be representing Philippines in the upcoming Macau race. All right, so it's going to be an international race. So I see a common, familiar names in the live. I see Anthony Salazar. Sabi niya, yeah, it's been a while, man, but we are back. Chichay is also watching. Vince Yap is also watching. Dimet Kayabyab is also watching. Tisoy Nan is also watching. Paulo Diaz is also watching. So Angelo Espiritu is watching. So I think you guys have missed us a lot. Sorry. And yes, although we haven't been going going live for a while now, Drift Exhaust has remained to be your number one choice of exhaust upgrades for both sports cars and big bikes. So we owe you that a lot. We've just finished the showcasing our work at MIAS, which is the Manila International Auto Show, which was held in World Trade Center, showcasing our work in the Miata and the Ducati. So right now we are going live for the exhaust sound reveal on this super awesome big bike, right? Daniel Obanya is also watching, so I see familiar names again who are very supportive to what we have been doing. Tisoy Nan, sabi ni Tisoy Nan is pa-shoutout boss, GM from Batasan Hills, God bless. Yan, all the way from Batasan. Sabi ni Daniel Obanya, pa-shoutout, tagal-tagal ko di pong hindi nagla-live. Oh yeah, so again, we've been very busy. There's just a lot of work. But again, Drift Exhaust continues to be your number one choice of exhaust system here in the Philippines. And to prove that to you guys, we've been very busy. If you guys can see, there's a Porsche over here. It's a 911 turbo, and there's another Lancer over here. And there's also big bikes inside that we're working on. And we've just finished our work on this beautiful Triumph Trident 660. So, as you guys know, the Triumph Trident 660 has 3 cylinders. Sabi ni Jeff Lee Valdemore, ayos, quality gawa talaga, kudos. Thank you so much, brother. Datu Puti is also watching. Si Keith Roger Tan is also watching. Going back, so the Triumph Trident 660 has 3 cylinders. And that's what you're going to be able to see with work we've done in the headers. Although it only has 3 cylinders, but this bike is a screamer if you wish it to sound like that. But at the same time, it has that low tone bass down deep if you're going to just leave it on idle. So we have installed our infamous Black Knight muffler in this build. So there you go, beautifully done with the laser finished logo. Yeah, that's how you do it. Keith Roger Tan Bomba and Drive By, sir. yeah, we're gonna do just that in a bit. For the drive-by though, we have done a separate video for that. But without further ado, I'm gonna be calling our customer Ryan, who's all the way from Pangasinan. Ryan? Yan.
Yun.
Here's Ryan, brother. Kamusta?
Ayun, ayos lang. So far, so good, oh. Tignan nyo naman. At tapos na.
And you're all the way from Pangasinan.
Yeah,
Ano
Pangasinan.
mo namang naisip mo, brother, at dinala mo dito yung sasakyan mo or yung motor mo?
Well, syempre, isa lang naman yun eh. Yung world class para sa big bike ko.
Yan.
So, syempre, Drift Xaust. Shout out, Drift Xaust. Alright? Boss GM.
Maraming salamat, Ryan.
Wala nang
Maraming
iba.
Salamat.
Alright?
Thank you so
sa mga
much.
kabomba natin dyan, sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo, Drift Xaust, kung gusto nyo ng mabangis na tunog para sa big bike nyo, syempre, loud sound saves lives. So,
Yan.
dito tayo,
Ryan,
Drift Xaust.
baka parang binayaran ata kita, hindi naman kita binayaran.
No. Ever since I'm a fan eh.
Oh,
Dito
that's
sa owner ng ng Drift Xaust. So,
Yan. So
boss
excited ka na marinig yung tunog?
I can't wait.
Okay. All right,
Ayos ba?
let's do just that. What I will request you to do is to go to the other side of your
Yun.
bike, brother. And then gawin natin is start lang natin. Let's put it on idle.
Alright.
Sige, idle muna natin. EJ Garcia is watching. Chris Pandes is watching. So this is how the idle sounds, guys. Sobrang swabe lang yung tunog. Masaya pa rin si Ryan. Masaya pa rin si Ryan, guys. This is the idle. If you're gonna hear it in person, you actually hear the deep bass rumble from or the deep bass sound from the bike. Hopefully hindi distorted yung mic ko, no? Because we are using a lapel mic. May si Ryan, no? Sumisilip-silip pa.
Ganda.
Sobrang ganda ng tunog because it's
Ang tindi.
deep bass.
Ang tindi.
Malalim yung tunog, brother, malalim. At hindi masakit sa tenga.
Idle pa lang.
Idle pa lang, correct. So we're warming her up. Pinapainit muna natin yung makina bago natin bombahin para to ensure optimal performance from the bike. Yan, medyo humupa na ng konti yung idle niya, which probably tells us that we can already rev the bike, no? But just take a look at the quality. Sobrang ganda, sobrang kinis ng piping, guys. Quality piping. And of course, yung Drift Exhaust Black Knight muffler. Yan. Ryan, may asawa ka na ba?
Meron na.
Alright.
Shout out sa misis ko,
Yun.
Doc May Erbison, Ruaro,
Ayan.
Region 1 Hospital. Alright?
Ayan.
And to my two kids, Julia and Joaquin.
Ayun. Ilang taon na sila?
9 years old si Julia and less than 2 years old si Joaquin.
Ayan.
So Joaquin, eto alagaan ko para sa iyo to.
Yun.
So at the age of 2, meron ka ng Drift Xaust setup.
Yan.
Yeah, full exhaust.
Alright, ready ka na bang ibomba siya? At
Ayos.
inaantay na ng mga tao. So guys, ibobomba na po natin.
Kailangan ko bang magano? Hindi na.
Okay, go Ryan.
Woo! First time.
Medyo pitin pala eh, habaan
Ba?
mo.
Haba ko?
Habaan
Sige.
mo.
Kayain ko yung ginagawa mo, boss.
Oo.
Ha?
So,
Pwede na ba?
ulit.
Pwede
Ako naman.
ba pag si Boss GM eh?
Ako naman. Subukan natin guys ha. Tawagin na natin si Ryan. Ryan, brother, kamusta? Kamusta ang experience sa unang bomba?
Kumakabog yung dibdib ko, mga boss. So, hindi ako napahiya. At siguradong sa next ride ko, hindi ako mapapahiya na ipakita yung full exhaust ko.
Yes.
Alright? So guys,
Yes.
alam nyo na kung saan.
Alright, that being said, Ryan, meron ka bang gustong batiin?
Yeah, shoutout sa mga kababayan ko sa Pangasinan. Alright, kay Governor Ramon Gico Jr.
Hi, Gov.
Alright, sa kaibigan ko, sa hometown ko, sa Calasiao, Mayor Kevin Macanlalay, rider din yan. So,
Yun.
aayain ko siya dito, Mayor Kevin, okay? Then, syempre, sa capital ng Pangasinan, Lingayen. So, Mayor Paul, former congressman and general, ngayon Mayor Paul Batawil. Shoutout po sa probinsya ng Pangasinan.
Ito, pag tumakbo to si Ryan, siguradong boboto ko to eh.
Yun!
No?
Yun.
So, maraming salamat sa Trust Ride, and I want to thank you guys as well for watching. I'll catch up with you guys again soon, and bye. Peace out. God bless.